How far can an owl rotate its head? A. 90 degree. B. 160 degree. C. 235 degree. D. 270 degree. Which is the world's leading egg-producing country? A. China. B. India. C. Japan. D. Malaysia. What do you call animals that only eat plants? A. Carnivores. B. Herbivores. C. Omnivores. D. Frugivores. Which is the fastest flying bird? A. Eagle. B. Seagull. C. Kite. D. Peregrine falcon. Which animal has no vocal cords? A. Lion. B. Zebra. C. Dolphin. D. Giraffe. In which country do you find the kiwi? A. Papua New Guinea. B. Australia. C. New Zealand. D. Brazil. Which breed of dog is the tallest known breed? A. Doberman. B. Greyhound. C. Dalmatian. D. Irish Wolfhound. Which is the fastest land animal? A. Antelope. B. Gazelle. C. Cheetah. D. Hare. How many hearts does an octopus have? A. 9. B. 5. C. 3. D. 2. Which is the only kind of hummingbird found that breeds in the eastern United States? A. Anna's. B. Magnificent. C. Ruby-throated hummingbird. D. Black-chinned. Name the bird that enters a saltwater crocodile's mouth to pick out the parasites and food particles. A. Sparrow. B. Kingfisher. C. Crow. D. Egyptian plover.